Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well you've got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and add friends on your Snapchat on PC. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, the very first thing will be simply for you to access your Snapchat web and simply get signed in. So here in this case, you can do almost everything. You can upload a story by simply tapping on this camera icon. You can tap on this little icon here in this edit icon. You can check out the recents. You can tap on this group. You can create a group for yourself. But even if you go to your profile settings, you do not have an option of simply adding friends, because that just does not work in the Snapchat web. You will have to do that particular service, have fun with that service on your phone only, and it's just not available. If you still would like to do, you simply have to go to your web store and simply type in, you have to install it's just not available here in the Snapchat web, so there is no way for you to do so. You simply have to add friends from your phone. But after you're done, then you can come over here and enjoy your Snapchat here. You can chat with them and just likewise do that. So that is the only option for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.